माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अगर आप नए हैं इस यूट्यूब चैनल में तो प्लीज़ दर्शकों को नज़ारा थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए दूर से। कैमरा वो देखिए। तो मैंने अभी अभी फ़िलहाल एक नया माइक लिया है, तो मैं अभी टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि whether it is working properly or not. So I'm in Dumka and I have returned from Bokaro permanently. I was studying there, but now as such I have taken an online class. So that's why I'm studying here. And I did not want any kind of disturbance because when you are staying away from your family and you are having an online class, then there are certain kind of distractions. So because of that, I thought of coming over here so that I can buy the time, because at my home I do not have to wash my clothes. I do not have to do a lot of things. So, and yeah, I'm becoming more and more productive.